Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Jimbo Fisher, one of the most talked about coaches in college football history. After years of leading powerhouse programs and securing one of the biggest coaching contracts ever, fans have been asking, where is Jimbo Fisher now? Let's break it all down. Jimbo Fisher, born on October 9, 1965, is an American college football coach best known for his time leading Florida State University and Texas A&M. At FSU, he guided the Seminoles to a national championship in 2013 and helped produce multiple NFL stars, including Jameis Winston. In 2018, Fisher signed a record-breaking 10-year, $75 million contract with Texas A&M, one of the richest in college sports history. Expectations were sky high, but things didn't go as planned. After several underwhelming seasons, Texas A&M fired Jimbo Fisher in November 2023, following a 6-4 start. Despite the dismissal, he left with an unprecedented $76 million buyout, fully guaranteed, making it the largest in college football history. Since leaving, Jimbo has spoken about taking time off, reflecting on his career, and waiting for the right opportunity to return to coaching. He said he still has the passion for football, but doesn't want to rush back into the wrong job. Where is Jimbo Fisher now? As of now, Jimbo Fisher hasn't returned to coaching, but has found a new role in sports media. He joined the ACC network as a weekly studio analyst for the show ACC Huddle, offering insights and commentary during the college football season. Fisher splits his time between his home life and his analyst duties, staying connected to the sport he loves. While he's enjoying his time on TV, he's also made it clear that he's open to returning to coaching if the right program comes calling. Jimbo Fisher's career has seen incredible highs and challenging lows, from winning a national championship to walking away with one of the biggest buyouts in sports. Now, he's enjoying life on the analyst desk, but keeping one eye on the sidelines. Whether he returns to coaching or stays in broadcasting, one thing's for sure: Jimbo Fisher remains one of the most recognizable figures in college football. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories about your favorite sports icons.